Let's address the Lutron Grafik I system issue you're experiencing. It sounds like you have a Grafik I 3106 system controlling 8 horsepower, 4000 watt power boosters, and you're observing overheating of the transformers and breakers despite what seems like a low amperage draw of 10.5 amps per circuit. The presence of significant third, fifth, and seventh harmonics suggests this is the root cause. You've correctly identified that a common neutral shared across 3 circuits might be contributing to the problem, but rewiring is a challenge due to conduit limitations. It's important to first confirm that the transformer and breakers are overheating at 10.5 amps per circuit. Use a harmonic analyzer to definitively verify the existence of the excessive harmonics. While a shared neutral can certainly exacerbate harmonic problems, it's probably not the only factor contributing to the overheating, especially at such a low amperage draw. Let's explore some potential solutions, starting with harmonic filtering. 1. Install harmonic filters on the circuits feeding the power boosters. These filters are designed to reduce harmonic distortion, which in turn will mitigate the overheating issue. 2. Ensure proper neutral balancing. Make sure the neutral conductors are adequately sized and correctly connected to minimize voltage imbalance. Voltage imbalance can intensify harmonic problems. Consider installing neutral current monitoring devices to detect and address any imbalances in the neutral currents. 3. Isolation transformers. Install isolation transformers between the power boosters and your main power supply. Isolation transformers help to isolate the ground and will reduce the propagation of harmonic currents. 4. Alternative wiring methods. Given that a complete rewire is not feasible due to conduit limitations, investigate alternative wiring techniques that could accommodate separate neutrals for each circuit. This may involve pulling additional cables where possible or using transition boxes to manage the wiring. 5. Circuit redesign. Consult with a qualified electrical engineer to assess the entire circuit layout and potentially redesign it to minimize harmonic resonance and to improve neutral balance. This might involve modifying how the load is distributed across the circuits or adding additional power paths. Also double-check that the power boosters are fully compatible with the Grafik I dimming system and that you are not overloading the circuits in any way. Examine the grounding system meticulously to ensure it is properly connected and that it has low impedance. A poor grounding system can worsen harmonic-related issues. It would be useful to use a power quality analyzer to continuously monitor the system to pinpoint any additional problems. This can help identify intermittent issues or other electrical anomalies that may be contributing to the overheating and harmonic distortion.